Hi, my name is Maryou. I'm an Australian stamping art demonstrator, and today I'm going to show you a little tip that I have come up with. I think is we all have problems adhering our very delicate sentiments or things that are intricate into our card, and normally we use our Tombow glue or we use our glue with the needle, which they're all good, they all work, but I find that sometimes the glue oozes out and it becomes sticky. So I have come up with an idea and I hope you guys like it. So what I do is I use just an ordinary glue stick. So we just push it up and then I get a little bit of scrub, just normal paper. And then I'll get my intricate piece and I'll sit it on top, and with this paper I just push it down and I rotate, and I use a clean piece of paper so I don't pick up any of the glue from the stick, and it keeps the top of my intricate free of glue. Then I just simply put that on my cardstock and you're done. Very simple, no glue, it's not sticky. I think it's such a great idea. So I'll show you even with a word. Put it on top of the glue stick. Then with the paper, you just push it in, move it along, clean piece of paper, move it along until it's all coated. Top of your cardstock. Done. No sticky and very easy to do. I hope you like this tip. Bye.